Hey guys, so in 2014 I wrote a book, or I guess a short story, called What Losing You Did to Me. And it's like a letter this girl wrote about what losing her love did to her. And I got really positive feedback on my blog in 2014, so I decided to try and write a second part of the book, but I was kind of lazy in 2014 and I didn't put good effort in it, and it was horrible, the second part. So I want to redo that. I want to finish this girl's story because the first part of the book is so good. I was even reading it through myself on my phone or my blog, and it was so good. And the second part just bombs. I have spent the whole day disappointed that I wrote that drivel. And the reason I wrote the second part, and it was so bad, is I wrote it because people wanted me to. People said, oh, this is so good, we want to know what happens. And as a writer, I didn't know what happened yet, so I couldn't write it, and I lost my voice. The voice of my character, I lost her. So I want to try again and find her voice and finish this story. And I need to go back in my blog and remove the second part and rewrite it. And yeah, I'm just wanted to share the first part. So look out for those videos. I'm gonna film it all and put one out every Tuesday. And tell me if you like it. Bye.